Okay, what's up, guys? There is a snow day. Got called 7th period today at my high school, and everyone was pretty excited. And this is the blizzard. Not really blizzard at all, but I'm not complaining. Basically, yeah, we got called. Our snow day got called on loudspeaker. And, you know, my thoughts on the snow day is pretty much this. The strategic placement of the snow day was not very good. It was a Wednesday. I mean, couldn't have been like a Monday or Friday. You already went to school for 2 days, then you get a snow day, and then you have to go back to school for 2 days. Also, this Wednesday was a half day, so it was kind of like, you know, would have been better if it was a full day. But, as you can see, it started snowing, I don't know, 4th, 5th period or something. A lot has come down. And these cars are slow going. Let me do my creeper zoom on them. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. And, oh, there's the old candy store. And here he comes. Hello! Okay. And hold on, I gotta fix my boot. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, there used to be, oh my god. Okay. There used to be an old candy store. Oh jeez. It is cold. That used to be an old candy store. Now it just looks like some building with a face on it. Actually, I'd like to buy that out and make it, put a saloon sign right up there on the top. And put some wooden swinging doors on it and make it my own saloon, where we could have cowboy shootouts at midday. Okay. Well, here comes some more cars. This is the street I live on. Well, you can't even see. There's a big hill that goes down there. There's like, you can't even see that. Okay. Here comes a van. Probably full of Indians, and they're not used to the snow, you know. They like monsoons and jungle conditions and smelly rice at their restaurants. Okay, well, yeah, this is pretty much it. Pretty much a snowstorm so far. Like I said, it just started like, I don't know, I'm gonna say 3 hours ago. So I'm gonna make another video in the morning, since we don't have school, of the aftermath of this snowstorm. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, have a good day.